These are the same WORKPRO razor blades, different packaging. There are 100 individually wrapped and safely wrapped at that. Let me show you some of the highlights. There's not much. Basically, it's really sharp. Main thing before you buy, make sure you get the right shape. There's this kind, and what I just bought was the more rectangular type. Make sure you get the right one so that you're not surprised and wasting time. Good thing about having 100 of them is you can change them out whenever you need to. Look at this. This is my last blade. I bought like 5 or 10 last time, and look how filthy it is. I've been using this thing on the car windshield to get stickers off, and on the inside windshields of the house, and or windows of the house. I mean, just been using that thing way too long, and now I just went ahead and bought 100. And my goodness, there's no reason to be using dirty razor blades. Scratches windows and it just doesn't get the job done. And so now I've got 100 of them. So anyway, just buy you a whole big pack. If you need more than that, that's also possible. You can get 1,000 if you need, but basically they're super sharp, individually wrapped. It has this little carrying case to go with it. Very happy with them. They're just razor blades, guys. It's nothing crazy, but definitely good to have functioning ones that are sharp.